This is the true wireless earbuds unboxing. Here are some of the specifications. Package includes the true wireless earbuds, micro USB charging cable, portable charging station, user manual, and 2 extra ear tips. You can tell the package is everything comes in snug, so it doesn't wiggle inside the box. It's actually quite tight in there. Here we have the user manual. This is the charging station and the earbuds are inside it. Here's the cable and the earbuds. There's the 2 sets of earbuds and the charging cable. Here I'm just going to go through the pairing process, and so you're just going to want to press down and hold until you see a red, white blinking light. And just go to your Bluetooth option and look for the O2L, which would be left, and O2R, which would be right earbud. Finally, I'm doing an audio test to see how loud the earbuds actually get. Now these get pretty loud. They get past 84, so pretty much 84. It could damage your ear if you listen to it too long. So they get pretty loud. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.